In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, a young man named Hiro struggled with a restless mind. Feeling lost in the chaos of his own mind, Hiro decided to embark on a journey to seek wisdom from a renowned Zen master who lived on a distant mountain. Hiro's journey to the mountaintop was fraught with challenges. The path was treacherous and the weather unpredictable, testing his resolve at every step. Yet his curiosity and determination fueled his quest for inner peace. When he finally reached the Zen master's abode, he was greeted by a serene presence that immediately captivated him. The master's calm gaze seemed to pierce through Hiro's restless mind, setting a tone of wisdom and tranquility. This first meeting marked the beginning of a transformative relationship, paving the way for a deep journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. In the tranquil courtyard of the Zen master's home, a stone basin stood with a small bowl filled with water, reflecting the clear sky above. The Zen master instructed Hiro to empty his mind by pouring the water into the basin without spilling a drop. Every time he tried, his shaky hands caused the water to spill, no matter how hard he focused. Hiro was perplexed and frustrated by the seemingly impossible task. The Zen master, with a gentle smile, demonstrated the task himself, his movements slow and deliberate, emphasizing the importance of patience and presence. Seeing Hiro's frustration, the Zen master led him to a quiet garden. He handed Hiro a small rake and asked him to create patterns in the sand. As Hiro worked, the master spoke softly about the nature of thoughts, comparing them to the sand, easily disturbed but also easily smoothed. Through this exercise, Hiro began to see the value in focusing on the present moment, letting go of the constant stream of thoughts that clouded his mind. After several days, Hiro returned to the stone basin with the bowl of water. This time, he approached the task with a calm mind and steady hands. As he began to pour, he noticed how his breath and the water's flow were interconnected. Slowly, drop by drop, the water filled the basin without spilling. This moment of success highlighted the profound connection between inner peace and external outcomes, demonstrating how clarity of mind could lead to success even in the most challenging endeavors. Through these experiences, Hiro realized the power of emptying his mind and found a sense of inner peace that transcended the chaos of his thoughts. His journey with the Zen master taught him invaluable lessons on finding inner peace. The key takeaway was the importance of letting go of worries, fears, and attachments to achieve mental clarity and serenity. Embrace mindfulness and presence in your daily lives, fostering a deeper connection with the present moment. By reflecting on your own mental clutter and seeking inner peace within, you can embark on a transformative path toward tranquility and harmony. The story of Hiro's transformation serves as a poignant reminder of the power of emptying the mind and embracing stillness to navigate the complexities of life with grace and equanimity.